Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this super cute rosy toned soft glam daytime makeup look using the new Morphe Vintage Rose palette. I'm super excited to be doing another tutorial using this palette. You guys, I already did like a super glam makeup look using this palette as well as a full review on my channel, so I'll make sure to have it linked somewhere up here and also down below in the description box, so make sure you guys check that out. So I thought I would do another tutorial using this palette, something that's a little more soft glam, something that's wearable during the daytime. So yeah, that's pretty much what I did in this video. So if you guys are interested in seeing how to get this really cute soft glam matte eye type of look, then make sure to keep on watching. Alright you guys, so I just went ahead and I put on some foundation just to save time in the video. I find that whenever I like insert the clip of me doing my foundation, I feel like it's so boring, so I kind of skip that step and get it done before I actually jump into the actual tutorial. But for those that are curious, I used the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation and I'm in the shade Dawn. So this is what it looks like. Please ignore how messy the bottle is. The one thing I hate about this foundation packaging is that there's no like pump, so it gets really messy. I think you can buy a pump, but I mean, I'm too lazy for that. So anyways, I went ahead and I got my base done. Details will be listed down below for the color corrector and concealer and everything that I used. And I'll also link a video where I show you guys my base routine for those that are interested. So now I'm gonna jump right into the eyeshadow palette, you guys. I'm super excited to be playing with this once again. Today's focus is just going to be doing like a simple, everyday, soft glam kind of pink makeup look. So yeah, I'm really excited. I already went ahead and I primed my lids just using some concealer and I set it in place with some setting powder, so make sure to do that. So I'm going to start off by grabbing this shade right here called Petal Play, and using my Morphe M441 blending brush, I'm just going to go ahead and concentrate this color onto my crease. You guys, I love to do super glam makeup looks, but I'm also someone who loves watching like tutorials on simple makeup looks, and I love also creating like simple soft glam everyday makeup looks, because the reality is that that's kind of how I live my life. I'm that person that will always, like, even if it's like 10 o'clock in the morning, like I'll have makeup on and it'll be like some sort of a soft glam, and I don't know, those are just like, recently those have been my favorite looks to wear in real life. Like obviously the glam looks that I do for my channel, I will only wear for like special occasions like weddings or like big daisy parties, daisy events, or any formal event really. So it's really nice to be able to share with you guys like realistic makeup looks that I wear on a daily basis. So yeah, I'm really excited to be filming this video today, and actually I'm getting ready to go out. I'm gonna be going to the mall because Eid is coming up, you guys, which is a Muslim holiday for those that don't know, and so my sister and I are gonna go shopping just to see if there's anything we find for our outfits for the day. So yeah, you guys, this is like as real as it gets in terms of how I do my like glam looks, daytime glam looks. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and with the shade Blossom right here, and using the same brush, I'm just going to dust that color onto my crease as well, and this is just going to help soften out the crease a little bit. And I'm also making sure to really drag this color kind of outwards on my outer corners. That's just something that I prefer doing, even if it's kind of a soft glam look. I just find that it really helps frame my face, frame the eye look. So just make sure that you are softening out the edges. Next, I'm going to be grabbing this pink shade right here called Perf in Pink. And using my Morphe M124 brush, I'm just going to apply this color onto my entire lid. This color is like got a very subtle shimmer to it. It's definitely not as shimmery as the other shimmer shades in this palette, but it's really nice, and I find that it's a nice color for like a daytime look. think I'm gonna go ahead in with my finger, and yeah, that's definitely a lot easier. And definitely their shimmer is very subtle. There is just a little bit of fallout. I'm just gonna dust that away. So once I have that lid color kind of on, I'm going back in with the brush that I used to apply the 2 crease shades, and I'm just going to go back in and just blend out the edges and make sure everything is nice and soft and there's no harsh lines and everything is nice and blended together. Alright guys, so I want to take a break from the eyes for now, and I want to just conceal the face, do my brows, and then maybe we'll add some more eyeshadow to the eyes. But right now I want to go ahead and conceal with my 2 favorite Tarte concealers. This is the Tarte Shape Tape and this is the Tarte Creaseless Concealer. So of course I like to go in with the Creaseless Concealer under my eyes because of course it's got a hydrating formula, and I love that for under my eyes since my under eyes tend to get dry. And then for my forehead, my nose, and my chin, just other parts of my face that I want to brighten, I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape. And of course, just make sure to clean up the edges of your eyeshadow with your concealer. I just love that clean look. And to set all the concealer in place, I'm going in with the Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. So while everything is baking in place, I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my brows. For brows, you guys already know my go-to product is the Benefit Ka-Brow, and I'm in the shade 04, and literally this is the only brow product that I use. This is my favorite, it's one of my holy grail products. So I'm gonna go ahead and just quickly fill in my brows. So I'm just gonna first quickly just remove any setting powder that's on the brows. Alright you guys, so I'm all done my brows. Now I'm going to go ahead and just wipe away the translucent setting powder. Using my Morphe E37 brush, I'm just taking the shade Petal Play and I'm going to dust this onto my lower lash line. So that's pretty much it for the eyeshadow. Now the last thing I want to do for the eyes is just go ahead in with some mascara. So I'm going to go ahead in with the Maybelline Lash Sensational. Alright you guys, so I'm all done putting on mascara, and I also kind of touched up the brows. I felt like they got a little bit too faded because after I wiped away the translucent setting powder, I just felt like they got a little like white. So I just filled them in a little bit more. So now I'm going to go ahead and contour using the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. So using the same bronzer, I'm going to go ahead and contour my nose, and I'm using this Sonia Kashuk brush. So what I like to do is just dust the bronzer down the sides of my nose first. And of course, the narrower you make it, like the closer the lines are, the more narrow your nose is going to look. So it's honestly personal preference. I kind of like this, and then just to dust a tiny bit under the nose as well. And then what I like to do is go in with my beauty blender and just soften out these two lines until they look seamless and effortless. And if I need to, I'll go in with some concealer down the center bridge of my nose just to brighten and help make the contour look as effortless and as real as possible. I'm going to take just a little bit of concealer down the bridge of my nose. This is the Age Rewind Concealer by Maybelline. And I'm also just going to put the tiniest bit down the sides of my nose as well. And just helps, this is just going to help really soften out the lines. Alright you guys, so I'm all done contouring the face. Now I'm going to go ahead and put on some blush. I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in Pearlescent Pink. And of course, I like to apply my blush higher up because it really helps elongate my face and make my face look slimmer since I do have like a rounder face. For highlight, I'm going in with the Becca Champagne Pop highlight. And of course, I'm going in with a beauty blender just to kind of press the highlight into the skin. I really want the highlight to kind of melt in the skin and look really effortless and seamless. So just pressing it in with just a damp beauty blender. And so the last thing I have to do is my lips, and I'm gonna go ahead in with my NYX Professional Makeup Retractable Lip Liner in Sand Beige, and I'm gonna go ahead in and just line my lips. And for lipstick, I'm gonna go ahead in with this lipstick by MAC Cosmetics. It is part of their Aladdin collection from last year, and it's in the shade Princess Incognito. It's this beautiful pink shade, you guys. It's pretty much kind of like Velvet Teddy in my opinion. I'll show you guys on my hand what it looks like. It's a gorgeous pink. So I'm just gonna go ahead in and apply this. And the last thing that I want to go ahead in for the lips is this new Maybelline Lifter Gloss, and this is in the shade Pearl. I recently did a review on these glosses, so if you guys are interested in knowing what my honest thoughts are of this gloss, make sure to check out the video. I'll have it linked down below. Alright you guys, so that is pretty much the end of the tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And of course, all the products that I used today will be listed down below in the description box, so make sure to check that out. And of course, if you guys have suggestions on any videos you guys would like to see from me, make sure to comment down below and let me know. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content from me. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.